RACO, innovating and producing quality electrical boxes and covers for over 100 years, also offers a full line of crushed corner covers for 4-inch square boxes. Ideal for exposed work environments, including situations with surface-mounted boxes. The covers enclose the electrical box, securing wiring connections while also providing a means to mount a variety of electrical devices. Choose from 19 covers pre-configured for specific 2-gang device combinations, any single-gang device or blank cover. Or for added flexibility, select one of the 3 universal covers that include adapter plates for more options during installation. RACO crushed corner covers are drawn from heavy-duty galvanized 16-gauge steel and include any required screws or threaded break-off tabs when applicable. Let's run through a typical installation so you can see some of the handy features. Before starting any electrical work, first make sure the power is off at the load center or breaker panel. If your cover includes the threaded break-off tabs, remove them with pliers. Prepare the device for mounting by removing the ears from the mounting strap or yoke by bending back and forth a few times at the perforation. For most receptacles, also remove the ends of the strap at the perforation. If you don't see the perforation, it might be necessary to snip the pieces off with a cutting tool. Avoid removing too much strap to maintain the integrity of the device mounting holes. Now wire the device or devices per manufacturer instructions. Secure the device to the cover using the device mounting screws that come with the cover or device. The threaded tabs wedge against the edge of the cover, allowing for a tight connection without holding a nut. Remove the 2 cover mounting screws that came with the 4-inch square box. Roll or tuck the conductors into the electrical box so the cover can be screwed down. For universal covers, select the appropriate adapter for your needs. Remove the device mounting screws that comes with the device. Add the adapter to the face of the device and sandwich it to the cover with the mounting screws. Repeat for other devices if applicable. That's it! The crushed corner cover is now ready to deliver a lifetime of rugged protection. Always look to Hubbell RACO for all your electrical needs.